Mitsubishi has a plan to break out of its current austerity mode, during which the brand's occasional sparks of edgy design and performance-oriented engineering have remained in a deep slumber. The 2018 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross is the first fruit of that effort, and it's intended to signal a course correction toward a more compelling lineup. In the interest of survival, Mitsubishi decided a few years ago to pin its hopes on offering value while at the same time going all in on utility vehicles. If non-subs, other than the Mirage, reappear in the lineup, they almost certainly will be in the form of rebadged Nissans, thanks to Mitsubishi's new alliance with Renault-Nissan. Meanwhile, the new Eclipse Cross splits the size difference between the larger Outlander and the smaller Outlander Sport and aims to be more athletic than either, in looks at least. Its design is driven by the same extroverted ethos as the Toyota CHR and the Mazda CX-3, although this Mitsubishi is a size larger and definitely roomier inside than those models. Ready for another crossover coupe? Don't let the splashy aesthetics or the fact that Mitsubishi is using the nameplate from its former coupe lead you too far astray, however. There's no sports car gravitas to the Eclipse Cross, which Mitsubishi says is focused on styling and technology. According to Nathan Berg, Senior Product Manager for Mitsubishi Motors North America, the project was inspired by a desire to bring vehicles in the mold of the BMW X4 to the realm of mainstream crossovers. The Eclipse Cross really appeals to a much different mindset than the two Outlander models, somebody who wants a vehicle that really looks good before anything else, he explained. The Eclipse Cross is a mashup of the front-end appearance of the brand's other compact crossovers and an entirely different design at the rear, one that looks more athletic and rakish from some angles yet busier from others. Inside, the dash has a bisected, cockpit-style layout with a lot of bright work. The driver interface has two features of special note. Top trim levels include a head-up display that tucks away when it's not being used, and the infotainment system in all but the base ES includes a 7.0-inch tablet-like display that sits atop the dash. The latter supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and will feel instantly intuitive to all but the most steadfast Luddites, although it lacks a simple volume knob. What won't feel as straightforward is the touchpad used to control the system that's set into the center console. It combines attributes of Lexus's trackpad and Audi's MMI system. Less exciting than the styling but perhaps more important is the new turbocharged 1.5-liter inline-4 under the hood. Part of a new engine family, it makes 152 horsepower at 5,500 RPM and 184 lb-ft of torque from 2,000 to 3,500 RPM. The Euro-spec Eclipse Cross we drove over the summer had 9 more horsepower but the same torque figure. It's happy on a diet of regular